This dance is called Irresistible Feelings. 32 count, 1 wall. It's a beginner level line dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Step right to right. Step, touch your left next to right. Step left to left and touch right next to left. With a little knee bend. Step your right back. Hip bump left. Step your left back. Hip bump right. So with the count for section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Step, sweep, and hip bump on your right. Step your right forward. Step, sweep, hip bump, right, left, right. Step your right back. Sweep, left. Do a back coaster. Back together, forward. So section 2 with the count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. Step, lock, set. Using your leg. Step, lock, sweep. Left back. Sweep your right back. Do a left shuffle. Back, together, back. So section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, do a back rocking chair with your right. Back, recover, forward, recover. Step your right back. Big step, drag left, next to right. Walk 2 steps forward, right, left. So last section with the count. Do a back rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here facing 12 o'clock. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this dance, during wall 1, after 24 count, there is a restart. Let me show you wall 1 after 24 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of 24 count in wall 1, so you do a restart here. So from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you continue the dance. At the end of wall 2 and wall 4, there is a tag. Let me show you the tag. Starting on the right foot, the tag, you step your right to the right side and you do your hip roll for 1 count. Step left to left and you do your hip roll for 1 count. So the tag counting is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for at the end of wall 2 and wall 4. During wall 5, after 24 count, there is another tag. Let me show you the tag from wall 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of 24 count of all 5 and you do the tap. Step your right to right, hold 1 count, step left to left, hold 1 count, step right back, step left next to right, step right forward, recover left, a ball step, recover step back, step your left in front, and step your right to the side for 3 bounce. 1, 2, 3. So the counting for the tap during wall 5 is 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end of the dance, when you face the last wall, let me show you there's a change of step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. You stop here, you cross your right over left, do a full turn to your left. Step your right to right and hold your guitar up and you play the guitar according to the sound of the music and you just do a kick. And that you will end the dance.